One night, you were resting peacefully at your home and you got the following unknown private number call.
Hello there. I don't know whose phone number is this, but whoever you are, please come to the big toy factory at the city center. No, the building is not abandoned. There are robot guards everywhere. Come to the employees entry and get the robot hands machine from the security room and come help.
Thinking it is a usual joke by your friends, you took your car and drove to the toy factory employees' parking and managed to enter there armed with only your flashlight. To your big surprise, you saw that there is actually a light in the entry door and a kind of robot patrolling around the entry. What's happening there? One night, you were resting peacefully. One night,